Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Cara. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this gold glittery cut crease. First, I'm starting off by priming my eyes. If you watched my past few videos, you know I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I use the yellow shade, works really good as a base. Next, I'm going into the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I'm starting off with this light pink color, and I'm just using a big fluffy brush and working that into my crease. Next, I'm dipping back into that palette and picking up this off-white color, and I'm using that with a flat brush to highlight my brow bone. Next, I'm picking up this orangey color, and I'm applying that in the outer portion of my eye, and then slowly working that into the transition shade. Next, I'm picking up this dark brown color, and I'm also picking up this scrap paper to use as a stencil, so I have a really sharp wing. And with whatever brown is left on my brush, just working that into my crease as well. Now I'm dipping back into the palette to pick up this black shade, and again using the stencil and just applying it a little bit lower and more defined than I applied the brown. I'm also carrying the brown shadow onto my lower lash line and then going back in with that fluffy brush I started with to make sure all of the shadows blend together. Here it looks like I'm just deepening up my crease with a little bit more of that dark brown. Now I'm going in with my new obsession, the STILA liquid eyeshadows. This one is in the shade La Douce, and I'm just cutting my crease and applying this onto my lid. You want to make sure that you let this dry before you look up or look straight ahead into the mirrors. I like to use the time while my lid is drying to check my phone. And apparently I didn't show it, but I did go in and apply a second coat of this shade. Now I'm going in with my NYC liquid liner and drawing where I want my wing to be. It's pretty easy since I have that sharp line from the stencil before. And then just finishing off the top of my liner. Now I'm using the Inglot gel liner to line my lower lash line, my waterline. And I'm popping on some Huda Beauty lashes in the style Samantha. I always just push it on the outer portion first and then reach into the inner portion and make sure the inside is attached as well. Now I'm going in with a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line and also a little bit on my top lashes to push them into the false lashes. Now I'm using this Makeup Geek highlighter. It literally makes your skin look wet. It looks so good. And I just highlight my cheekbones, my nose, and my cupid's bow. And that completes this look for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you learned something, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.